Alright, so this is going to be a quick little overview of this Dewalt jack from Lowe's. Only reason I picked this up is because they were 190 bucks, but I had I have the American Express Lowe's card, so I had like 70 bucks to use in points, so it ended up being about $100 flat for this 3-ton jack. Just want to show you. By the way, this is where you add the grease to these fittings, so they're not bleed screws. This is where you add the grease. You can hook up a grease gun to it and add the grease to this joint and to this joint. Here's the top construction. The wheels are plastic, which is a concern because I'm not sure how long they'll last. What I do on all of them is put on all my jacks, I put some electrical tape to not only to reduce noise, but it also makes it roll around a little bit easier. Here's the little attachment. It's a 2.5 ton attachment. So this is rated for 3, but this is with this attachment it's only rated to 2.5. So just a huge Allen wrench to attach it. Next, we're gonna attach the handle, bleed the cylinder from the top. I'll show you how. And I'm gonna be doing some transmission mount on this car, so about to see how that works. All right, so first thing you're gonna do is remove this little clip. It's like a safety pin that sits in here. All you're gonna do is push this handle down and it'll pop out from the bottom. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is install the riser. It simply just connects with a Allen bolt like this. You just use the torque wrench, put the other bolt back in. Then to bleed it, it's very simple. Pump the handle about 10 times and go in there with a flathead and just slightly lift this up. You'll see some air bubbles come out, and make sure that's back seated in there. That's the bleed plug. It's like a rubber little plug on top. So now you're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start using it and see how it holds. I'm interested to know that it'll hold once it's actually up and it doesn't bleed down. But other than that, here's the handle. And we'll see what happens. For $100 after my discount, hopefully it will work pretty good. I did notice this screw came broken from the box, so I'm gonna have to replace that screw. There's some scuff marks here, but other than that, looks to be in okay shape. Regular jack to lift the car with, and the reason I'm using these jacks obviously is because I'm using the spacer, and the spacer, you see how there's a little support right there in the middle. Okay, so that support you can only use this front support here to lift the car in the front, and with the spacer I just need a little bit more clearance. So this jack would actually make it underneath the front of the car, no problem, without the spacer. So here's the process, and all you do is just lift it. It's working really good so far.